So I just made Mark's little like toast thing. It's coconut bread, regular butter, cookie butter, honey, and banana. He's onto something here. It's freaking delicious. Every night he has this.
A little bit of Bahamian coconut bread, a little butter, very little peanut butter.
That is not peanut butter. Tell him what it actually is.
Cookie butter with some bananas from the island on top. Ooh, look out. Peace out, little chef.
You love the camera, don't you? You waiting for your little scoop?
No.
No. You said 7:30. What time is it?
Eventually, yeah.
It's exactly 7:30.